Welcome. In front of me I have Willful SW025 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the language on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the VeryFit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the VeryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it quickly, like this. Once you open the app, you may see the ads. As you can see, we can tap right here to skip it. And now we should see the home page. Let's tap on the device icon and wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone. You can check the progression right here. As you can see, it's stuck on 0%. It's gonna take like a minute or two for it to connect to our phone, as you can see. If it doesn't want to connect to our phone, press on the touch sensitive button on the watch to wake it up, and after a couple of seconds it should start connecting, and once it's done, you will see the information of the watch right here on the device page, which indicates that the watch is synced with our phone. Okay, it should be done now. So if we tap on more, we can open the more page, and if we go back, no, never mind, it's not updated. It should be updated right here. Basically, we should see the information of our watch. For some reason, it doesn't show anything. But let's tap on more, and here we have the device language option. Tap on it, and here we can select the language from the list. For example, let's say I want German, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the language was updated, and if we go back, oh, now the info of the watch appeared. But if we go to our watch, wake up the screen, you will see that the language applied. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.